Make it out of the underside of Yarick's balls. Quick little thing before the video, remember to like and subscribe. I see a lot of you guys are subscribed bastards, so get to work. What am I playing against? Yaren? We could go Duskblade this game. Let's go Duskblade. No, let's go first strike. Oh. Did I get it off in time? I think I got it off in time. Nah! I mean, it's still fine. It's not bad. Yeah, Duskblade is just amazing on Yarick. It's funny. It's literally like one of the most perfect items in Yarick. Additional damage on ghouls and E. Like, what more could you want? Also, a clutch potential with the thing. God. Another tip in the Yard matchup, like try to not get poked in the early game. What else is there? You can W his Q3. There used to be this thing where if Yone ults at a certain distance, you can paralyze mid like ult animation of his thing. Oh, I miss Paralysis Claw so much. Like, this is a matchup where Paralysis Claw is so fun in. I miss it so much, man. I love Paralysis Claw. Give it back. As Zark at the moment, pretty goddamn good. Very, very good. A lot of good builds. Just decent champion overall. Okay. Resolve secondary, so probably has bone plating. Or second wind. I don't know. He's in big trouble now. Big trouble! Oh, you're getting manhandled by the slag dog! Big trouble, baby! That cheating? It's cause I wanna like there we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Bro, I'm losing this? That was literally the most perfect engage I could have done. And I lose it? I lose it, guys? Are you serious? Oh, I guess there's too many minions, man. Oh, bro, that was literally perfect. I buff on my W and I E him after. 4 ghouls engage on him and I lose it. That's kind of annoying. I guess there's too many minions, but shit, man. Why didn't you ult? Sorry, I'll ult next time, guys. That's kind of frustrating. I should have definitely won. I literally lost. It's funny because pre-Yarick nerf, I'd win that. Again, Slugdog blaming the Yarick nerfs. Typical Slugdog blaming the Yarick nerfs every single stream. It's always the Yarick nerfs, man. Nerf Yarick. And they were throwing a horde of minions, yeah, but I had full setup and he had 0 skills and he just literally did nothing but right click me. What's up, Andre? I guess PT bone fighting off. I got ult. Oh man, that's not good for me. I can't be low against Yarn. It's better for him. You gonna hit 6? Oh, I wish I hit 6. You didn't hit, I'm surprised about that myself. Oh shit. There we go. Nice, that's good. Good that Riven instantly turned the second he ulted. Nice. 2 plates. Big money! I didn't even get his bone fighting off. You're dead. Bro, like, it is so disgusting how mobile Jarvan is. I'll go for a max range there. I think it might be here. I could probably outplay it though. Why? Maiden! Hit him! Oh my god, Maiden! Oh, Maiden, you Inter! You dirty, dirty Inter! Hit him! I want you to hit him! I'm so annoyed. I can't believe that I eat him. Whatever, his abilities cooldowns, man. So short cooldown. What is he doing, man? Oh my god. Shut up, face. I'll piss in your mouth like you wanted to. Okay, I got tower first. It's fine. You know what though. If he wins this, I'm quitting the league. In this wave! In that wave, by the way! Like, what? What? But I lose in that wave, but he wins in that wave when I have this many minions? And a dust plate in my belt? Are you joking me? Oh, Maiden. Oh, there goes Maiden. Maiden! What are you? Nah, I hate this champion so much. Oh, this champion is so frustrating to play, man. There is nothing that's gonna drive me to kill myself except for playing this champion. This champion blows balls. In-game. Shouldn't he be in this, better in this game? Not really. They have like 3 champions that are gonna cut me forever. I'll never be able to queue them. And Yone's very, very mobile, so it's gonna be hard to queue him if he's good. And also Rengar is very mobile, so it'll be hard to queue him as well. Oh, that's scary. I think a big wave then. Everyone's TPing. It's good TP though. Oh shit. Q, go off, man. Oh. I'm gonna kill myself! Yay! Oh my god, dude! Oh my god! It's gonna happen, it's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen, 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 it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, man. It's gonna happen, man. Oh my god! Oh, it's gonna happen, man. I hope it. Oh my god, oh my god, please, 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 please. It is torment to live. It is torment to live. It is torment to live. I can't help you do anything, lol. Unless that guy just walks up like an idiot. That's not a fight, that's a massacre. And our maiden's dead as well. Bro, what is my... Ugh, man. I have to get this money XP. Oh shit, I messed up the timing. That's okay. I talk of you more than I talk to my more than I talk to my family. What more do you want from me? Watch me more! That's probably watered, right? No, she has blue trinket. What the f is that? What is Yone doing there? Why don't we fight this? It's a 4v3. It's the best you guys are gonna get. Oh, that's actually really good. This eye's kind of jump and come. Oh, that's good. Oh shit. This Ashe is lawnmowering everybody. I have ult, I don't have ult. They just have too much range, man. It's getting outranged. Everyone's dead. I don't even win 1v1 against Yone anymore, by the way, because I don't have any items yet. I need to build items. Wait. Oh my god! Wait, Yorick is broken! Hello? Wait, we need to nerf Yorick right now. Wait, nerf Yorick. Wait, my champion is broken. Oh my god. Wait, my champion is so broken though, guys. What the f? Nerf Yorick. Get him out. I thought I didn't win the 1v1. Because I had too much money in my bank account. Oh my god, Riven. Oh my god. I should have Baron, but whatever. Oh my god, we got a Baron! Riven, why are you teleporting? Oh, why don't we use Baron? Oh my god, Riven. Wow, good teleport, Riven. That was totally not useless. Oh god, this is so bad. Wait, if I just did this, what can he do about it? But he can't do anything about that. He can't do anything. What are you guys doing? Oh shit, man. He had to go the long way out. Oh shit. Run, no, 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 no. Please. I have to give this down. I have Hull Breaker now. Okay. Riven dashing 14 times per millisecond. Nerf Yorick though. Because Yorick's too OP. Nerf Yorick. And the boy's a bit strong. Oh my god. Motherlord. What's out here? Fallen's pushing hard as well. They're in a bit of a predicament. We're just slamming our face into theirs and it's working out better. Everyone's leaving? Okay. Slows vs Riven? Wow, wow. Slows is so effective against Riven, the champion with 17 dashes. She totally has to, you know, move around through walking. Walking is so important to her. Goodbye. Oh, okay. that cuter heal was actually really scary there. I actually thought it saved him. You know what, guys? I'll hook you guys up with a... Oh, no, I can't build it! No, I was gonna go collect instead. Alright. Only losers walk? Yeah, only losers walk, right? So bad I'm not a loser. Should be loose. I don't envy any champions still walking in 2020. Yeah, walking is so shit. It's gonna look really worth it in comparison to Hydra. It gives more damage by a mile, definitely. Because Armor Pen's a lot better than just normal AD. Oh, dude, if you get hit by these E's, you will not like my reality. You will not like reality. Oh shit. I don't win this though. Ouch. Okay, it seems like my team's just killing everybody anyways. I was too tanky with Hullbreaker. They full comboed me, it still wasn't enough. GG's. GG's. The collector of souls and memes. I collect memes. I am the boogeyman of top lane. I really am the boogeyman of the Rift.